Hey guys, long time no see. Been a little busy with life, so I haven't had a chance to work on anything really. Right now I'm in a parts vehicle that I picked up for our Project Black Betty because it's got a nice dark interior in it. So I grabbed it up. So right now I'm going to show you how to take off a door. Okay, this will work for all S10s, I believe, all S10 Blazers, and the body style, so you know, Sonomas and Jimmys and that stuff. So tools you're gonna need a hammer. I like using a brass one, it does less damage. Little pry bar, little sticky thing for undoing your wiring, and a draft, a little punch. Okay, so I'm gonna do my best here to show you what we're doing. First of all, undo the wiring that goes through the door into that thing. Okay, so all you got to do is unhook this one and this one. Okay, let's see if we can get a decent view on that. There we go.
Let's pull those off the door. This one has two, one on either side.
There's two. So now you can't really see it too well, but now we're gonna pop this grommet out of the door, not out of the body, out of the door. Makes it a little easier. And
feed that through.
our way now. Now, might be hard to see in there, but that little spring we have to pry out of there. So go from underneath. Careful. There we go. Now it is out of our way. Another thing I did, I put my jack underneath the door, give me a little safety there. So all right, now this is going to be where you're going to punch down on this pin. Okay, and once it gets moving, it comes out pretty quick and easy.
Make sure it's all the way out of there, actually. There we go.
Top pin out. Now the bottom one is on, comes up instead of being the same, and it makes it a little easier to actually get it out. And like I said,
it takes a little force to get it started, but once it starts moving, it moves. So it just takes some force. There we go. Back up on here. And now we can kind of work on getting this pin out of here. Might take a little bit of work. There we go. Now hold your door steady.
pull out your next pin. Now, there it is. It's splined, so that's why it's so hard to get out. But there we have it. Your door's out. If you need to replace your bushings, they're right there. You know, those are splined in too. That's a different video. Luckily I don't need to do that because I'm just going to sell these doors. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. There's Project Black Betty chilling there, waiting her turn. You see she's got a new mirror on her.